Okay, so as the solution of this task, we're now going to extend the specification with this new input of an emergency variable. So this would be an environment variable of type Boolean, and it will be called emergency. And then we would say that there's a new guarantee. So this would be another safety guarantee. Always emergency would imply that not green A and not green B. Now let's see if this is realizable. It's unrealizable, and the reason is that we could have this, we need always eventually green B, so a counter strategy could probably be that we always have emergency, and then we would never have this green A or green B. So here, one way to fix this would be to say, well, if we have emergency, then we don't need the always eventually green B or the green A. Now let's see. It's now realizable, and we can now synthesize another controller. And now we need to extend the controller runners. So if we, the command line based one, now if we run this command line based one and we simply say car is present, then it will probably just ignore the value. It will give a default value to emergency, but that's not actually what we want. We want to actually also read the emergency value. So let's extend our creation of values. So this would be simply the new variable emergency. Do we have an emergency? And this would have to go as another input to the controller. Okay, so we only extended inputs. That's fine. Now let's see. So let's put a car there. And let's say we have no emergency, then we see that car A is allowed to go. So now let's put again cars there and say that we have an emergency. Then all cars must stop. We have again cars, we have again an emergency. Again, all cars must stop. We have again cars, we don't have an emergency. Now car B is allowed to go. Okay, so this is the extension. We have simply extended the specification with the additional variables, some additional guarantees and updates of guarantees. And then the main interesting thing here was actually this single line that extends the inputs by providing the new input that we have just read and giving it to the specification, to the controller.